Hi everyone, we will discuss about the reading module diagram labeling question type. So how we need to solve this diagram labeling question type, let's focus on it now. So let's solve this diagram labeling question, okay. So here are the questions we have, and here we have some diagrams here. We need to match the perfect diagram to every question. This is what we are going to do for this particular diagram labeling question. In diagram labeling question, you need to label the parts of the diagram, or else you need to identify which is the perfect information for that particular question. This is all what we are going to do for this diagram labeling question. Now let's concentrate on this diagram labeling question. So we have already answered for this first question. The answer is C for this. And now let's see the second one, the Chinese basket of fire. Here we have a keyword of Chinese basket of fire. I think it is mentioned in single inverted commas. So might be it is a particular information. So Chinese basket of fire. These are the two keywords we have. Let's focus on these two keywords. Search for those two keywords in the passage. So we need to start from the beginning. So find out. So in the first line it is not there, second line we don't have, third and fourth lines also not available. So let's come to the second paragraph. It is not mentioned in the second paragraph. Let's come to the third paragraph. No, the keywords are not mentioned. Here we have the keyword Chinese. So probably we may get the answer in this paragraph. Let's concentrate on this paragraph now. So here also we have the word Chinese. Yeah, here we have the basket of fire. Okay, so Chinese word is available in this paragraph and basket of fire is also mentioned here. So let's start reading from the beginning of this sentence. So one such weapon was the basket of fire, or as directly translated from Chinese. Okay, so here we got the keyword. Okay, let's see the question once again. The Chinese basket of fire. So if you observe this particular information, the arrows like flying leopards. So the arrows should be upwards. Okay, so let's observe what are the diagrams we are having with the arrows. So B and D diagrams are having arrow marks. Let's find out which is the correct option for this second one, whether it is B or D. Okay. Read the next information. So the arrows like flying leopards, the 0.7 meters long arrows. So here these arrows should be 0.7 meters. So if you observe, this is a 0 to 1 meter, that means 1 meter it is. So we should focus on the arrow marks which is less than 1 meter. Okay, if you observe here it is 1 meter, and if you see this B diagram, it is approximately closer to 1 meter. I think it is not more than that. So if you observe here, it is, we can easily find out that it is more than 1 meter. So probably the answer will be option B, because the arrows are not more than 1 meter. If you observe this D diagram here, the arrow marks are containing more than 1 meter. So that's the reason why the option is B for the second question. Okay, so the Chinese basket of fire, the option is B, because the arrows are less than 1 meter and it is approximately 0.7 meters now. Okay, so the answer is option B. Coming to the next question, the Arab egg which moves and bones. So here we need to find out what is the correct option for this third one, the Arab egg which moves and bones. So this is the question. The keyword is Arab egg which moves and bones. So it is mentioned in single inverted commas. Let's focus on those keywords. So we got the answer in this paragraph. Let's come down. So we have egg which moves and burns. So it is at the end of the paragraph. We can easily identify in this page. So egg which moves and bones is the keyword. Okay, so we have to find out the word Arab also. Yes, here the Arabs had developed the egg which moves and burns. Now let's find out the more details about this information. This egg was apparently full of gunpowder and stabilized by a 1.5 meter tail. Okay, let's find out that which one is having 1.5 meter tail. So option A is like, you know, approximately 2 meters. We have E also, I think it is also closer to 2 meters, but let's find out other details. We did not get the clarity whether it is A or E. It was fired using 2 rockets attached to either side of the tail. So it is more clear here. Okay, the tail is attached with 2 rockets. The tail is attached with 2 rockets. Let's find out that which is having 2 rockets. So here if you observe, for this E diagram, it is attached with 2 rockets. So that is the reason why the answer is option E for the third question. Okay, answer is option E because it is more clear that it is having 2 rockets attached to its tail. That's the reason why the answer is option E. Okay, now coming to the fourth one, the Indian rocket. So we need to find out that which is the Indian rocket here. Okay, now come down, find out the keyword Indian rocket. So we got the answer in this paragraph. Now let's focus on this paragraph. The word India is mentioned here. So here we have the Indian rockets. So let's start reading from that sentence. The Indian rockets used against the British were described by a British captain serving in India as an iron envelope about 200 millimeters long and 40 millimeters in diameter. So we don't have millimeters information in this particular scale here. Now let's go to the next sentence. Yeah, so if you observe here, after 40 millimeters in diameter with sharp points at the top and a 3 meter long bamboo guiding stick. So what it is having, it is showing clearly that it is having 3 meter long bamboo guiding stick. So we need to find out that what is the 3 meter long bamboo guiding stick here. Okay, so if you come down, most of the people will get confused here. Okay, so they will pick directly the H option. No, we should not give the answer as H because they mentioned 3 meter long bamboo guiding sticks. So the stick should have 3 meters length. So most of the people will concentrate here 0, 2, 3. So it is option H. No, the stick should be 3 meters. Okay, so from 2 to 3 it is 1 meter, from 3 to 4 it is 1 meter, from 4 to 5 it is 1 meter. So it is option F because it is having 3 meter long bamboo guiding stick. So that is the reason why fourth one answer is option F. And coming to the fifth one, the British barrage rocket. Coming to the next one, it is British barrage rocket. The keywords are British barrage rocket. Now let's find out the keywords. So we got the answer in this line. Now let's focus on the keywords. The British rocket differed from the Indian version in that it was completely encased in a stout iron cylinder terminating in a conical head measuring 1 meter in diameter and having a stick almost 5 meters long. So it is saying that clearly it is having 5 meters long bamboo guiding stick. Okay, now let's focus on the 5 meters long bamboo guiding stick. Okay, you just observe here, clearly it was mentioned it is having a stick almost 5 meters long. Okay, so if you observe, we have only one diagram which is having 5 meters long bamboo guiding sticks. So that is option G. So G is the answer for this question.